What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And I am here showing you guys my dinner. That's what I'm having for dinner today. So welcome back to my kitchen and to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And when you don't do that, you turn on your notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Alright, so my other, wow, I cannot make this like one. Snow crab legs and all kind of things, and shrimp and eggs and corn, potatoes, and yes, boo, your girl is about to chow all that goodness down. Now make sure that you subscribe to my second channel, Life is Juliana. Look at this, the link down below for that. But if you're watching this and you want to know how I made this kind of a seafood boil, I'm also going to insert some links down below to show you how you can achieve something that looks like that. Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are doing safe. Make sure that you're practicing social distancing. Make sure that your hands are clean at all times. You know what I'm saying? Don't be mingling with the crowd right now. It's not safe to do so. But make sure that your family and yourself remain safe. Alright? I'm trying to do the same thing over here. But yeah, this is just a short little video just to show you guys what I'm having for dinner right now. So, share, like. Tell me what you'd like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!